Can Pringles be probable cause? Let's take a look here. Reaches in, pulls out what appears to me to be a glass pipe, even burnt on one end. Remember, there is no audio on a surveillance video because you're at quite a distance. And legally speaking, you always have to be concerned about when you record audio. Different states, different requirements. You can see this guy's pulled what you'd call a push rod out of his pocket. Plain view doctrine, laying it down there for my brothers and sisters in law enforcement. And he fishes through his pockets here looking for his lighter in this case. And you can see how easy it is for that glass pipe to get burnt on one end. His buddy's sitting next to him. You can see rocking back and forth there. I don't know if that's because of the cold or because of anticipation. Glass pipe goes into the mouth, sparks it up, and he's going to get some fumes here. I've heard people talk about private investigators doing drug surveillances, drug cases. You know, can I prove that this is anything except maybe a Tic Tac or a one hit of tobacco? No, I can't prove that. Do I need to? No, probably not. This is not for any case in particular. This is just something that was nearby where I was. And, you know, if this were for a case, though, say child custody, workers' comp, anything like that, I think this would be enough video. I think the client would be happy with this, even if I couldn't prove what was in the glass pipe. This guy takes his hits as best he can get, second hand there. If you'd like to learn more about surveillance, please do check out ShadowAnyone.com. If you'd like to capture incredible surveillance video just like this, then the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance is for you. It is 100% satisfaction guaranteed, no questions asked. If you want your money back, just ask. You'll get it, every penny. That's my promise to you. So click buy it now.